Hey loves, it's Kiara and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am doing a what my kid eats in a day. Sophia is a extremely picky eater. She only eats a couple of things, so I thought I'll show you guys what she eats if you moms and dads are having issues, with what to feed your kids. Maybe this will help you in some way, I don't know, because since Sophia is so picky, maybe this will help you all. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button too. It helps me out a lot. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So for breakfast, you guys see me make her breakfast a lot of times. So I always use my mini waffle maker because it's just super easy, super convenient. And I just use a pancake mix that just adds water. It works pretty well, and I always mix in like vanilla or cinnamon sometimes, but mostly I always put vanilla, and she really loves it. So yeah, this is what I do kind of almost every morning. Sophia doesn't eat like cereal for breakfast, so I can't just give her a bowl of cereal and milk in the morning. It has to be like a real life breakfast. So I made bacon as well. With the waffles and the bacon, sometimes I'll make like 3 waffles and I'll put those in the refrigerator, and I may make like 4 pieces of bacon and I'll put those in the refrigerator because I only give her 1 because that's all she eats and then she's full. So yeah, and then she always has to have some type of fruit, so I give her strawberries or bananas. Mostly in the morning it'll just be strawberries and bananas, but I think today I just gave her strawberries. And for drink, I always just give her orange juice or milk, but today I just gave her orange juice. So yeah, that's pretty much it for what she eats for breakfast. So for lunch, Sophia normally eats the same thing. So I've started doing like real meals for her for lunchtime since it's school time and she's at home. So I normally give her those Ian's French fries. They're like gluten-free, everything free. They're like so amazing and great for her, and I normally just pop those into the air fryer. And I give her like these cotton candy grapes, some chips, the Siggy's yogurt. She really loves those, and those Scooby-Doo snacks. They're just like fruit snacks. So I just cut up the grapes on a plate, and I always set it up for her so when she finished class she could just come and chill and eat. Now Sophia is a big junk food eater. Besides being a picky eater with regular food, she loves junk. So candy, chips, that's just like her thing. She loves that. So I normally just set it up for her until she comes in, and she always has to have ketchup with her french fries. And normally for her drink I just give her like maybe water or juice. So yeah, this is her lunch. So now for dinner time, this is the most pickiest of her times. She doesn't eat a lot of things, so I have to just feed her what she eats. And I asked her pediatrician, and he said whatever she'll eat, just give her. So normally I just buy those Kid Fresh mac and cheeses. Sophia doesn't eat vegetables at all, but those mac and cheeses do have hidden vegetables, as well as the Earth's Best chicken nuggets. Sometimes I buy the Kids Fresh ones, but if I can't find those, then I'll just buy the Earth's Best. So I do give her some sort of fruit sometimes with her dinner, and today I just gave her an apple. And the Kid Fresh I could just put in the microwave, and yeah, it's good to go. She really loves it. It's actually really good. I've tried it myself and it actually tastes good. So she always has to have ketchup, and that's what she has with her chicken nugget. And she loves milk. This is another thing, she has to have strawberry milk. She doesn't like regular milk anymore, so it has to be strawberry milk. I have found a brand who makes strawberry milk, and they sell it in my local supermarket. So sometimes I can find it, but it sells out pretty fast. But when I do get it, I get like 3 and 4 at a time. So yeah, this is like her everyday dinner almost. It does switch. She has maybe like 2 other meals that she'll eat. So again, if this video does well, I will do another one. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video very soon. Bye.